Hi, everybody. Welcome to Flying Wild Guatemala. I wanted to put together a compilation of different aircraft that I've flown. Here's one of them right here. This is a beautiful Piper Comanche. Love this airplane. This particular airplane has a capacity of 3 to 5 passengers, 1 crew member, about 25 foot long. It's got a wingspan of about 36 feet. And empty weight's about 1,750 pounds. Max takeoff weight about 3,200 pounds. Holds about 60 U.S. gallons of fuel. It's powered by a 6-cylinder Lycoming IO 540 air-cooled 6-cylinder horizontally opposed. 260 horsepower. Beautiful. Then we got a 1972 Cessna 172 XP. Wow, look at that screen. I love it. That's the new Garmin G3 Touch. And I was flying by here. Look at this volcano. It just decided I was up there flying around. Actually, that isn't in that Cessna. I'm flying the Cherokee here. Cherokee 6300 1967. And I'm flying about 5,000 feet in this volcano. It's called Pacaya. Just decides to blow its top. Here I'm landing this is a 1972 Bonanza V36. I'm landing it here at a sugarcane field that later on, interesting story, the sugarcane field later got blasted and got decommissioned. Here I am with the Blanca. Yeah, I flew a Blanca too, 1957 Blanca. 6-cylinder, beautiful airplane, really weird airplane to sit in. And got asked to take these guys here. I've gotten the airplane with me down to Rio Dulce. So anyway, it was a great flight. I love this airplane. Here is Rio Dulce. Speaking of Rio Dulce, because man, flying has taken me to so many cool places and so many places that I probably wouldn't get to go to unless I fly. But since I do, I'm everybody's favorite captain on the day I fly. I'm always everybody's hero. Here's some drone footage I got. Oh man, I love this place here. This is just a beautiful place out here on the Caribbean where we go out there and we're standing in just a couple of feet of water and we have somebody come out and serve us lobster right on the water. It's unbelievable. Look, right here, it's like 10 in the morning. I think we were having beer and lobster. This is some of the experiences that you have, you know, if you get to fly around these little airplanes all over Guatemala. These lobsters were just so unbelievable. They were, I think the guy had wrapped them in bacon or something. They were just so tasty. And I'm serious when I say it was like 10 in the morning. And they just whip out all these lobsters and bring out these Coronas. Ah, breakfast of champions, baby. Here we're sailing back to Rio Dulce from Punta Manabique. So this is just a beautiful day out at sea with the clear blue water. Fantastic sailing out here in the Caribbean. Okay, here I am in the Piper Cherokee 6300. 6300 because it sits 6-7 people, 300 horsepower. I've got over 1,000 hours in this airplane. Flying a Cessna 421C Golden Eagle. Airplane I fly right seated. Here we're landing in Rio Dulce, Guatemala. The Cessna 421 Golden Eagle is an American 6 or 8 seat twin-engine light transport aircraft. It is pressurized and it has 2 wonderful, super powerful motors. We bought this airplane in Michigan, where we picked it up and flew it all the way back to Guatemala. Just an amazing aircraft. 67 Cherokee 140. Hey, there's my grandson Adrian. There's the 140 with Maru in front of it. And there's the 6300 before we painted it blue. There it is with the repaint. This is a Cessna 401C that I flew, and we owned this airplane before the 421 Golden Eagle. Traded this one in on. Little skiing trip we took. Flying allows you to go to many places quickly and easily. This is the 1972 Cessna 182. Here I'm landing it in Lake Atitlan. This is an amazing aircraft. It's really made for high altitude mountain operations. I tell you, Guatemala is just an incredible place to fly. Every time you get up in the air, you're going to see something different. Well, here I am in the good old Cherokee, which is my home airplane. As I mentioned before, I've got over 1,000 hours of flying just this airplane. Here I'm flying a Bonanza V36. This airplane unfortunately was confiscated by the Attorney General's office here in Guatemala. I had flown it about 15 hours, test flying it for a friend that wanted to buy it when it was confiscated. Here I am executing a low flyby in the 401, Cessna 401. And this is a Bonanza A36. This is known as the Ferrari of airplanes. Just an incredible airplane I've been flying lately. Just absolutely love this airplane. 6-cylinder, 282 horse, seats 6 people. Well, thank you for watching. These are just some of the airplanes I've flown. Really, over the course of 20 plus years, I've been flying close to 25 years now. I've literally flown close to 100 airplanes, so a lot of them I didn't get to film, or I have filmed them, but it would just make this video incredibly long. Anyway, God bless you all, and I hope you all get to fly some incredible airplanes someday.